Hello, how's everybody doing today? My name is George Lopez here at City Wall Ford. We're sitting inside of a 2019 Ford Explorer Sport. We're going to be talking today about Apple CarPlay. This vehicle and some select Ford models come with Sync 3, which are compatible with Apple devices, as well as Android with Android Auto. We're going to take a look at exactly what it does, setting it up and going through the steps so you can see how it works. The first thing you need to do is actually have your Lightning cable plugged into the USB port, and then from there you plug it into a compatible Apple device. To use the applications, all I have to do is click on them, and on some of them it will prompt Siri.
I can make a call for you or play your voicemail. Which would you like?
Call City Wall Ford.
Calling City World Ford. Mobile.
As you can see, it's making a phone call the same way it would do if I use Siri directly from my phone. Over here you have your favorites, recent, contacts, and the keypad if you just want to dial out. You can also access your voicemail, and you have third-party applications like Google Maps. You can go into them and go ahead and search for an address or a destination. You can choose your home location, safe places, restaurants, or just a gas station that's nearby, just like you would do from the application itself. You have access to Pandora, iTunes, and many forms of entertainment. This is a very great feature. You can come and try it for yourself here at City Wall Ford, 3305 Boston Road. My name is George Lopez. Make sure you ask for me. And remember, it's always better to buy here in the Bronx.